What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the shift lever on the TW200. So my shift lever has seen better days. It's kind of all mangled up. I mean, this is totally usable, but every once in a while I like to replace it after it's been bent in and out so many times, because what could end up happening is it could snap off right here at this weld point. So let me just look for a new one real quick. Ah, there it is. Brand new OEM shift lever. Perfect. And while we're here, might as well try to pick up some chicks. Anyways, to remove the old one, grab a 10mm and loosen up this bolt. Once you got it loose, you should be able to run it out by hand. And of course, if you got an aftermarket skid plate, you just gotta push up on it and you should be able to work it right out of there. Then you may need to wiggle it a little bit to slide it off. Here it is next to the new one, and it doesn't even look like the same shape. I also got this aftermarket one that has a spring-loaded thing, but I've decided not to use this because someone told me that these don't really bend. They either break or they end up actually breaking the shift shaft on the bike, which would not be good. I mean, I don't really know if that's true or not, but it kind of scared me out of using this. Also, it either goes on too low or a little too high and ends up running into the case cover. So I'm just gonna keep it stuck. Also, since you're here, a good thing to check is to make sure the seal isn't dripping with oil or anything. However, it might be kind of grimy just because of the chain is right there, and it tends to fling a lot of grease right in this area. So even if it's really grimy, it may not actually be leaking. But if you see any drips forming, I would definitely want to replace the seal, and you would have to remove this case cover in order to do that. All right, to install the new one, go ahead and slide it on, making sure it's in the right position. It'll be pretty obvious if it's not in the right position. So it'll either be too high or too low, like right there. Also, you'll know it's in the right spot if it's parallel with the number plate. Also, not a bad idea to put some blue Loctite on the threads of the bolt. Then just stick the bolt back in, thread it in by hand, and tighten it down. And you wouldn't really need to use a torque wrench for this, and I wouldn't be able to anyways with the skid plate. Just nice and tight until it about stops. You just want it nice and snug. And it's good to go. This is what it looks like between the mangled mess, the new one, and the aftermarket one. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. And if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.